Greetings, everyone. We're back to our classroom. We shall be looking at differentiation. What is differentiation? It is simply the rate of change of a quantity in respect to another change. Differentiation is the rate of change of a quantity in respect or with respect to a change in another quantity. It is denoted by the y dx or the x all over dt or y prime. We have two ways of differentiating by first principle and by formula. Now we're going to solve some problems on these ways of differentiating. Example, differentiate using the first principle, y plus the y plus the y equal to s squared plus x. We'll call this equation 1. Solution, y plus the y equal to x squared plus x. Now, anywhere you see x, we are going to put the x there. So this becomes y plus the y equal to x plus, you add the x to x, all squared plus the x. Now let's do small arithmetic here. X plus the x times x plus the x times x is x squared, x times the x is x dx, the x times x is x dx, the x times the x is the x squared. So when we add up, we have x squared plus 2x dx plus the x squared. Therefore, y plus the y equal to x squared plus 2x dx plus the x squared plus x plus the x. All right. If you check or watch closely, you can see that all that we have in equation 1 also appeared in what we have at the moment. So on that note, we're going to take them off. Like this one here, this y that we have in equation 1, you take it off, you have it is y equal to not y plus the y equal to x squared plus x. And when we multiplied, because we are to add the x to x, and x plus the x squared, when you multiply, you get x squared plus 2x in that order. Now if you take this out, you take x squared out, the next one x here, you take it out. So what is left is the y equal to 2x dx plus the x squared plus the x. You call this equation 2. This is equation 2. Now at this point, what do? Divide through by what? The x. So it becomes the y, the x equal to 2x dx all over the x plus the x squared all over the x plus the x. This taken out, this dividing, this the x into the x is 1. So what we have left is the y dx equal to 2x plus the x, because the x into the x square, what is left is the x. The x into the x is 1. So what we have is 2x plus the x plus 1. We are not done yet. The next thing to be done is we limit the x to 0. What that means is that anywhere you see the x, you put what? 0. Now lim the x to 0, the y all over the x equal to lim the x to 0, bracket open, 2x plus 0. Anywhere I see the x, put 0 plus 1. So we have 2x plus 1. Therefore, the y, the x, equal to 2x plus 1. That is how we solve differentiation by first principle. We'll solve one more example for a clearer and deeper understanding of the first principle method. Let's look at another example. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Differentiate using first principle, y equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So we're equally going to use the first principle to do what? To differentiate this. Now, y equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. This is equation 1. Now, y plus dy equal to, remember, anywhere you see x, you put the x. Recalling from our previous example, x squared should give us what? When we multiplied, it gave us x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared. Now, plus 3s into 3 into x plus dx plus 1. Now, y plus dy equal to, now 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2x dx is 4x dx, and 2 times the x squared will give us 2 dx squared. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times the x is 3 dx, then plus 1. Plus 1. Just as we did in the first example, we're going to take off what we have in equation 1. This one is gone. This is gone. Here is 3s is gone. Here is 1. So what is left is dy equal to 4x dx plus 2 dx squared plus 3 dx. We'll call it equation 2. At this point, you divide through using the x. It becomes the y, the x equal to 4x dx all over the x plus 2 dx squared all over the x, then plus 3 dx all over the x. So this one can cancel this. What is left is 3. This one cancelling here. What is left is 2 dx. This one cancelling here. What is left is 4x dx. Sorry, 4x. So we have the y, the x equal to 4x plus 2 dx plus 3. Now, you limit the x to 0, the y, the x equal to lim the x to 0, 4x plus 2 times 0, because anywhere we see the x, we put 0 plus 3. So we have we have left is 4x plus 3, because 2 times 0 is 0. Therefore, the x equal to 4x plus 3. That is that for differentiation by first principle. Thank you for giving us your time. Always subscribe for more of our videos. Bye.